What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Buckshot TV. Anyways, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I don't know if this has ever been done before. It's going to be pretty original. Today we got this Mrs. Butter original syrup. We actually, last night, went ahead and marinated some steaks. So basically what I did was I just put maple syrup on steak in a bag. All right, so these steaks have actually been marinating for just over 24 hours. I just thought with like syrup being so thick, it probably would take longer to marinate. So let's take a look at these steaks. Smells like syrup. Let's pull these steaks. Ooh, that is... It's totally changed the color of the meat. Like, look at this, look at the color of this meat now. It's like black. I don't know if that's safe. All right, I got my little cooking station here, but before we cook, it's always important to have the right attire. It's pretty simple to put on, actually. It's pretty quick. It's pretty quick. So we got our now black colored steaks. Don't know why that happened. Probably not safe. Not probably approved by the FDA, but we're gonna do it. So today we're cooking on cast iron, man. Freaking best way, man. I mean, probably not, but I don't know. I just didn't want to get my grill all covered with syrup, so that's the plan. Yeah. I gotta get my cast iron nice and hot, because that's the way I like them. Alright, now that our cast iron's gotten nice and spicy, we can go ahead and cook. First of all, you need to throw some butter on the pan so you don't burn yourself. Okay, just gotta get it here. Always do it how I just did it, there's no other way. Sounds like a steak. Our entire house smells like pancakes right now. Even though there's no pancake batter in here, it literally smells like we're cooking pancakes. And I can see like some of the syrup like getting all weird right there. So I'm gonna flip it over and just see what the other side looks like. We're cooking the second steak right now. And the entire house is literally filled with smoke. We've got like all the doors. And we've got like a fan on and everything. So if you guys think about cooking this, I would probably disable your fire alarms first, because it is really smoky in here. All right, she's done. Cooked her to what I usually cook it at, which is about a medium rare. And if you cook it any other way, then... this is about one of the most unappetizing looking steaks I have ever seen in my entire life, not gonna lie. It has like a film of stuff on it, I guess. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. All right, let's see how this baby cuts. Got some syrup if I need any more. Just look at that. Yo, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. If I just say so, crust on the outside is not so pleasant, but I'm actually gonna try it with more syrup. Oh, it's not open. I should probably open it first. Only way to open syrup. I was making this video as a joke. This is freaking delicious, dude. I'm gonna get a second opinion. I'm gonna bring my lovely girlfriend in here.
I'm looking at creme brulee right now.
I'm having her try the other one, the second steak that I cooked, because I cooked it a little bit better. The other one was kind of overdone, because I don't know how to cook syrup steak.
What, should I just go like right here?
No, that's fat. Go right there.
That's
right,
exactly
just
where
right
I
there.
want to go. I don't know what to think. That's like a really weird mix of flavors. Without the burn layer on top, it's really good, actually.
You gotta peel your steak. Maple syrup is actually pretty good. Which usually I don't think people dip their steak in stuff.
It's almost a weird consistency, like the steak itself.
Yeah,
I'm not used to hearing a steak crunch.
it's fine. The taste is good though, right?
After this video, I'm probably gonna eat one of these.
I definitely thought it was gonna be awful. I don't think that I would cook it on cast iron next time. If I did it, I'd probably do it on a grill so that it doesn't get that layer.
Doesn't caramelize.
Because I think it would actually work a little bit better on the grill. I just didn't want to get like nasty stuff all over my grill. Okay. All right, so that's about it. I'm pretty surprised with how this worked out. It's actually pretty good, definitely better than I thought. But I'm definitely going to be doing more of these videos. I'm going to be like marinating them in different stuff, weird stuff like syrup and maybe some sodas. All right, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you next time on Buckshot TV. Yeah!